Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about how to create and use Admitad affiliate account. So let me take you to their website, which is admitad.com. For the ones who don't know what is Admitad, Admitad is an affiliate marketing network and performance marketing platform that connects brands with affiliates to help them promote products or services online. In doing so, affiliates earn commission for the performance they bring to the brands. Admitad also offers a range of tools and services to facilitate affiliate marketing, including tracking, reporting, and payment processing. So you could come to the website, explore all about them, and see whether they're a good fit for you. And trust me, they are, because the brands they have in the network is quite amazing. The numbers of brands they have, they got like over 1700 brands, so it's amazing. So after reading about them from the website, if you want to create an affiliate account with them, you can simply click on join as a publisher. Now, why as a publisher? And Admitad affiliate network or the performance network, they call publishers, affiliates as publishers and brands as advertisers. So whenever you see the term advertiser, they mean brand, and whenever you see the term publisher, they mean affiliates. So to create an account with them, an affiliate account, simply click on join as a publisher, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can sign up via Gmail, LinkedIn, or other accounts, or you can also enter your email address followed by password and just click on I'm not a robot. So I'm going to go with the email address. In your case, you can enter your email address, decide a password, enter the password here, confirm the password, and tick mark I'm not a robot. And then you can agree to this as well. Click on the terms of use, read through it, then tick mark I accept terms of use, and then click on sign up. Now, what it will do, it will try to create your account and it will take you to this verification where you have to confirm that you're human. So over here, you can click on begin and just solve the puzzle. You just have to move through the line to solve it and then click on submit. Now, it will just confirm that you are indeed a human and it will take you to further steps. So here, it will send an email to your email address to confirm that this email address belongs to you. You can log into your email account. You will see an email like this. Open the email. There would be a button. Click on confirm email. Then it will take you further to the other questions that Admitad have for affiliates to address. So you have to enter the first name and last name. So I'm going to enter the test name. In your case, ensure you enter the correct name. It's just I'm creating this video for the educational purpose. I'm going to enter the domain information. So last name, you can enter your last name in here, followed by the username. So it will automatically pick up a username for you. You can also decide your own if you like, and then read the terms of for publishers and tick mark this. Then click on sign up. It will again take you further to the next question. So here the next question is which programs do you want to join? So here you have to decide not the country of your residence, but the country of the brands that you're more interested in. So let's say, for example, you get most of the people or traffic from United States of America, then you click here and type in United States of America. But let's say in my case, I got traffic or I got audience from United States of America, from United Kingdom, and from India. So I can enter even more than one country. In your case as well, you can search for the country. And so basically the country of your interest from where you want brands and you want your or your target audience is from. So you can just search for the country in here. When you find the country, tick on it and it will add it in here. And then over here, you can select the category of the affiliate programs. So when you click here, you will see all these categories to choose from. In my case, I'm going to go with online services. If you want more, you can again click here, just type something in here. It will give you again more options. You can even click on more categories that you like and then click on next. When you do that, it will ask you whether you want to earn money. So basically, what do you have? You have a website, do you have a social media channel, or are you purchasing traffic, you're using messenger, or you got a program or apps. So depending on what you got, you can tick mark accordingly. In my case, let's say I got social media account and I got a website. So in your case, if you have more than one, you can also select more than one and then click on next. Over here, it will ask you to specify your choice. Like if you would have selected social network, what kind of social network you got. So in my case, let's say I got two social networks, or let's say for the time being, I got Facebook and the another channel I got from the website. I got like I have to select what kind of website I got. In your case as well, you can select do you have a drop shipping website, an affiliate store, financial showcase, a forum, or other. So I'm gonna go with this. In your case, you can select accordingly and then click on next. That will take you to the next step. So depending on what you have selected in the screen that we were just looking at, it will ask you to now provide more information. So if you would have selected a social media account, you can enter your social media account details. In my case, I'm going to enter the name of my social media account. Again, these are dummy information. In your case, whatever correct information you got, ensure you add that only. So this would be the place where you would be promoting the branch of Admitad basically. All right. And if you want to add even more, let's say if you selected Facebook and if you got more Facebook channels, then you could add another and you can enter the name of the channel and of course the URL to it as well. And then the website as well. So if you would have selected website or if you would have selected any other thing, you have to enter the details accordingly. In my case, I got a test website as well. So I'm going to enter that in here. In your case as well, you can enter it. If you want, you can even delete it. Let's say if by mistake you selected the website and if you want to delete it at this stage, you can just delete it, totally up to you. And then click on ready. Now what this will do, it will capture the information and it will take you to the next step, which is this. Please confirm your ownership of affiliate marketing test. So whatever website you would have gotten or you would have entered, you have to confirm that website belongs to you. And there are three ways you could confirm. You could go and add it to the head tag of your website. You could also add a DNS entry, or you can upload a file to the root directory of your website. But this will only ask you, it will only ask you that if you enter a website. But if you do not select website, then you don't even have to verify anything. In case of social media account, you won't even get to this page. This is only will come if you have given your website as an ad space. If you want to proceed with the website verification, choose one of these options. And once you're done, just click on done. You can check it now. So Admitad will confirm accordingly. But if you want to verify it later, simply click on verify later. And that should still take you to something called dashboard. Over here, you would be able to see more information. In case if it takes you to somewhere else on some other section of the dashboard or like maybe to the program section, in that case, you can simply click on this icon. This will take you to the home page again. So whatever you see here, it's called affiliate dashboard. When you click here, you will be taken to the home page. If you look at the right hand side here, you would see the amount which would be ready to withdraw. So this is going to be the commission amount that will continue generating in case if you bring performance to different brands of Admitad. And if you look at the left hand side, just close it, you would be able to see your 30-day performance, like how well you're performing. You can see the metrics like earnings, impressions, click, and actions. And if you scroll down, this is more like a timeline of different brands, like what different brands did. If they have updated their panel link and other kind of link, you would be able to see it in here in the timeline. So let's say you kind of went through with it and you want to explore more. What next can you do? So you can definitely go to the programs, you can hover over programs and go to new program, because see, when you will create an account, the affiliate account with Admitad, you'll be taken to this affiliate dashboard. The next thing, the very important thing you have to do is to apply to different brands, because without that, you won't be able to promote the brands and you won't be able to generate commission. And to do that, hover over programs and come to new programs. And here you would be able to see all the different programs which are available in Admitad. So if you look at the left hand side, you can search by name, the region as well. Let's say you wanna only see those brands which kind of provide the product or services to the consumers from United States. You can just type in United States accordingly. Then you can also select by action type, like do you want to get commission on lead generation or on sale amount? So you can select or basically apply the filter accordingly. Then there is program type. Then you can select whether you want to see the bonus program, exclusive program, or manual moderation, auto moderation. Manual moderation is basically when you will apply, they will see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And then if they find that you're a good fit for them, then only then they will approve you. And then this is, as you can see, this is auto moderation. You can join this program immediately. You don't need to wait until the advertiser finishes reviewing your request. So that's great. Let's say you don't want to go through with the reviewing process of brands, just find the brands which are part of auto moderation and apply to them accordingly. And then if you scroll down here, you can see support instant payout. So when it comes to the payment method of Admitad, they will only pay the commission to you once they got it from different brands, but they got something called Lite and Pro, in which they will even pay you the commission generated way faster. So you can also find the advertisers who are participating in these kind of instant payout method. Then payment frequency wise, the status as well. Let's say you want to only see the brands which have declined your application or you haven't joined yet, you can select accordingly. You can even search by categories and traffic source, and in fact with the tools as well that we will talk about. So let's say you are here and as of now you're only seeing 65, and why is that? There should be more. All right, so as of now, I'm seeing 65 advertisers here. Basically, these are brands. If I want to see more, I can just uncheck this new program, and then I would be able to see all the brands available in Admitad, which is like 1,775. That's an amazing number. Okay, now we get to know that all these brands are available. Let's say you want to apply to these brands. For example, you want to apply to Lancome, and as you can see, there's an option verify that you own the ad space to join programs. So it won't allow me to apply unless I verify my website. So let me go ahead and remove it. In your case, ensure if you have given your website as a way of your ad space, then ensure you go through with the verification process. Otherwise, you won't be able to apply. Okay, so I have removed my website for now because I didn't gonna want to go through with the verification process as of now. So as I was telling, if you are entering your website, ensure you verify it before it will allow you to start applying to different brands. In any case, once you're here, doesn't matter if you have given your social media account or any other account at your ad space, you can select the brands from here. Let's say I want to apply to Lancome. I can click here, which should take me to something called advertiser information page. Over here, I get to see all the information about this brand's affiliate program. I could see the earning per click. It's just an estimation in my currency, and then the cookie lifetime, the approval rate. So they generally approve 93% of the application. That's great. I can even click on all these rules and regulation to see what they allow or not about the traffic rules. And I can see the rate as well. So they're currently giving 85% commission on the sale amount, which is great. And so all these information I can see, and they're only catering to Indian traffic. So like this, you could see all the information about the brand. And if you, so depending on your ad type, the ad space that you have selected, either you will see an option to apply or you will see something like this. You can't join the program. When you see this, you can't join the program, then it could only mean that depending on what the ad space that you have given, basically the kind of channel you got, a social media channel. In my case, Lancome is not fine with that. Maybe they're only looking for someone with a website. So don't you worry about that. Again, just come to the programs and go to the new programs and just search for other brands you could apply. So in my case, let me just uncheck join. So I get to see all the different brands, and let's see which brands I can apply. In your case as well, you can see, for example, I want to apply to Viator. So I have an option to click on their advertiser information page and I will see the apply button over there. So let's do that. And here you see the apply button. So if I click on apply, in your case as well, whenever you see the apply button, so these are like the moderation kind of brands. That means they will review your information and decide whether to choose you or not. So you get to see the terms for the affiliate program. You can read it. You can see what they allow and what they don't allow. Ensure you read it carefully, and thereafter you can read. You can tick mark I agree to the terms and conditions. And then you can also write, how will you promote the affiliate program? It's very important because they will see whatever you write in here, and then thereafter you can click on join. So when you do that, your application to the programs would go. They will take a few days to consider your application and whether to say whether to approve you or to reject you. So as you can see, the ad space affiliate marketing Facebook takes doesn't suit the Better UK affiliate program because of traffic source. So this could be another case. So what I'm coming to is, like this, you can keep on applying to different programs and get the approval, start promoting them. But what if, like me, I tried for two different programs, and for once I wasn't even seeing the option. For another, I saw the option for apply, but I couldn't apply. What if that happens? Again, don't worry, just hover over programs, come to new programs, and look for the brands who don't even review. They just simply approve you. So for example, to do that, you can again uncheck new program and scroll down to this option that we have here, that we show. Okay, auto moderation, you can tick mark, and within auto moderation you'd still be able to see a high number of brands like 455. Let's say that you want to apply to AliExpress, you want to promote them, just click on join, and you see you will get to see this. You can read it, and then after reading it carefully, you can also see allow traffic types and regions, and then click on accept. When you do that, your application to AliExpress affiliate program, or like any other auto moderation affiliates programs, would get automatically accepted, and you will see this option. Now you will see this option, and there will be a an icon like this, which will allow you to get linked to. So this is how you can explore different brands, apply to them. You can even sort by rating and other things based on your likeness. Then if you hover over my programs here, you get to see my programs. When you click on my programs, this is a place where you would be able to see your approved brand. Not just so if you go to new programs, you will see the programs that you could join, but my programs will let you see approved brands. Then you can also go to Admitad store to see, again, Admitad store will be similar to new programs only. Then you got suggest a program. Let's say there's an affiliate program that you want to apply to, and you don't find them within Admitad. So in that case, you can simply click on suggest a program, and then it will ask you to provide them the advertiser website and for which ad space do you want that affiliate program, and click on suggest. So Admitad will try to recruit that brand for you, and of course for the other affiliates as well. This is an amazing feature, isn't it? Now, okay, you get to see it. Then what? So after joining the affiliate programs of one or more brands, you have to start promoting them. Now, how do you promote them? To promote them, you can hover over tools, you can click on deep link generator. Now, this will allow you to create your tracking link. Why is tracking link and why it's important? So when you get the approval, it's not like that you go to the brand's website, take any link and promote them. No, that's not how it works. You have to use your tracking link. Tracking link is what helps Admitad to know that sales or lead is basically coming from you. So to create your tracking link, come to deep link generator, click add space. Depending on the ad spaces that you have given, select it accordingly, select the program. So this will be approved program or approved affiliate program. And then if you want a sub ID for tracking purpose, you can write it here, and then you can mention the link here that you want them to convert it to a tracking link. So in my case, let's say I want the homepage aliexpress.com to be converted to tracking link. I can click on generate, and I get to see the tracking link. So in your case as well, you can create tracking links like that. But this looks like a very big tracking link. What if you want to have a shorter version of it? How can you have it? For that, again, go over tools, go to short link, and this tool will allow you to shorten the tracking link. For example, I copy this link, and if I'm going to paste this link in here, I click on get short link, and we'll create a short link for me. So I can simply copy, same way you can copy and start promoting it. So if anyone would click on this link, it will take them to aliexpress.com. Now, what if you want to see whether a tracking link is working fine for you or not, whether like everything is fine, it's commissionable? You simply click on hover over tools and go to link checker. This will allow you to check whether the link should be working fine or not. Then if you click on broken links, so this will let you see if, let's say for example, you have generated thousands and thousands of links. Now you don't know which links are broken. So here you get to see the list of the links which are broken, so you can modify it, you can make updates accordingly. This is a great feature. And then the other tools as well, for example, coupons and promo codes. So you wanna see the promotions by different brands, or you wanna see the coupon codes for it. There should be a place, isn't it? So this is a place where you would be able to find different coupons for the brands that you're not part of. You will still see the performance. You can select by language and all. For example, if you want to see only English US, then you only get to see the English US language promotions or coupons. And for the programs that you're not part of, you'll see the option of join program. What if you want to only see the coupon codes or promotions by approved brand? you simply click on only join programs. So this will allow you to see only those programs from whom you have gotten the approval. So in our case, it should be AliExpress. As you can see, $3 off 30 order if someone uses code. Now, if you want to get a code for it, you can simply click on code, and here is the link to the code, the coupon code, and here is the link that you should be sharing with your audience for bringing sales to AliExpress, and which will in return give commission for you. So this is how you can get the code, but this code option will only be visible in case if you would have gotten the approval from that respective brand. Now, let's say you want to have a dedicated code just for you. You don't want to like take the already created promotions or code. You simply click on promo code request, and you have an option to request brands to provide different codes to you. For example, you can click on request promo code. You can select your ad space in here. You can also, for example, okay, I selected affiliate marketing Facebook test for me, and I want a tag and go promo code. That means I don't want my audience to click on the link and then enter the code. I want to create a code in a way that if I share it with anyone, the moment they will use the code, I will be entitled to get commission. Wouldn't that be amazing? So you don't necessarily have to use your tracking link. So if you want that, you can click on I want a tag and go promo code, mention the region, whether you plan to promote the brand, and then select the affiliate program, mention promotion method, desired discount, and all these value, and click on submit request. Now, if the brand find it worthy, then they will provide those promo codes to you. Thereafter, you got lost orders. Let's say you're sure that someone used a tracking link of yours, and for some reason the order didn't get reported. You could use this section to bring that specific order to brand's attention, and the brand will see whether we are right about it or not, and will make the changes to the reporting accordingly. Thereafter, you got a money link. So let's see what money link is about. Now, monetize your blog from money link will find all direct links on your website and turn them into affiliate links. Now, that's great. So that, let's say, for example, you got a website, okay, and you have different brands link over there, but you don't want to use tracking link. You would just want to have one link code that you put on your website, so anyone would click on any link. If that link belongs to a brand which is a part of Admitad, then it will automatically be converted into tracking link, and it will track sales for you on your behalf, and the commission will get generated. That's amazing. Thereafter, you got something called marketplace X. So it is a great thing. It's basically, let's say you don't want to apply to different brands, but you have something. Let's say you got an amazing website and you want to get a flat fee from brands in order, like when you do something, you will get some flat fee from them. So that's called like marketplace. So you could kind of advertise yourself, advertise your own online presence to get offers from different brands. And to do that, again, you could read it all for better understanding. But if you want to start with it, just click on list and offer. And when you do that, it will take you to the page where it will ask you to enter more details, like are you a brand or are you an affiliate? So you can click on I'm a publisher, which is an affiliate. Then you can mention the information about your online presence, like where would you end up promoting the brand if you get an offer from them. You can mention the URL, describe, select these informations as well, and click on next. So what this will do, this will create a kind of offering from your end to the brands, so brands can approach you, and if you agree to that, whatever the discussion happens, and when you do that specific promotion, you'll be entitled to get commission. That is amazing. And then we got optimization code. So let's say if you want to have a tracking in your own internal reporting as well, you can click on optimization code, and you can set up your postback URL. Basically, this allows for internal reporting as well. This is an advanced feature, so for the ones who know about postback, they would know anyway, so they can just add the URL here. For the ones who don't know, it's fine. As I said, it's a very advanced feature. So if you want to know, then still it's good. Then you can also integrate your Google Ads account. You can also go to Admitad Teleport. This is this is one of the unique feature that they got, a tool for publishers having a website browser extension. From Admitad Teleport, users will land straight on the advertiser website without the redirection. Now that's great. Generally, what happens whenever you apply to the brand, you take the tracking code and then someone click on it, it will take you from the Admitad server to the advertiser brand, wherein Admitad Teleport is totally different. All you have to do is to configure the API. And again, this is technical, but then it will just take away all that redirection part. So the speed would be better, the accuracy would be better, and all that. So if you are into advanced stuff, you could come here, you can read more about it, and you can set it up accordingly as well. Then you got Admitad extension. Now, this is also great. And why this is great? Let's assume that you go to multiple brands. What if you have an extension, any brand's website you go to, and if you click on the extension, it will automatically create a tracking link for you? Wouldn't that be amazing? So this is exactly the extension we are talking about. So you could install this Admitad extension, and you can use it. For example, if you go to AliExpress, any web page on the website, AliExpress website, or any of your approved brands website on Admitad account, you click on the extension, it will create a tracking link for you, and you can start promoting the brands accordingly. Then they got something called Admitad bot. Now, Admitad bot is kind of similar to some of the tools from before that we discussed, but still it has a sense of some difference in it, and that is Admitad bot to your add Admitad bot to your Telegram to quickly and effortlessly generate affiliate links from your smartphone, any device. So basically, it helps you create tracking link on messengers like Telegram and other things. So you could also leverage Admitad bot for your tracking activities. Now let's say so far you have learned how to apply to the programs, you got the approval, how to get the links, but what about the product links? When we talk about brands like AliExpress, I got thousands and thousands of products. What if you got a search engine website where you want to integrate all different products of all the brands? There should be a way to get the product inventory with your tracking link in it. Wouldn't that be amazing? So for that, you can hover over product feeds. You can go to original. Over here, you would be able to select your brand that you have been approved from. You can select feed under the specific dollar amount and select other information and click on generate. This will generate the product feed that you can utilize. You can also set up the template. That means if you want your feeds to be downloaded in a specific format, all you have to do is to come to product feed, export templates, create your own template, and then from here you can use your template accordingly and download the feed accordingly. Now, let's say you got all the links and you started promoting all the approved brands. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can hover over reports, go to and on ad spaces. So here you get to see your performance by different by different ad space. So that means different online presence that you must have given. Then if you scroll over on programs, so let's say if you got approved by 6 or 7 brands, you will see the performance by different brands. And here, then you got on actions, on time, on SEM, on tech code, promo code. So this is how you can see the performance. You can also use filters. Just click on these things and use your filters accordingly. You can also export it to CSV or to XML reports as well. You can go and check. Now, what about the payments? Where would you see your payment details? Again, for that, hover over payments, go to balance history. Here you would see your balance that you have with different brands out there, and they stated for it. Then if you click on payment history, here you get to see the payment that's being issued to you by Admitad for all the commissions that's being generated. And over here, you would be able to use payout light request, so instant payout light request. That means if you don't want to wait longer, you could also use this feature to request for your amount, your commission amount at the earliest. So this is great, but this will only show you any instant payout that's being done. How to request for it, we will talk about that as well. Same goes here for the payout for request. Any request that you have made, you will see that in here too. All right, so this is how you can explore all these sections. Then we got something here. So if you click here, so all the chats, all the communication that will come to you directly from branch, you will also be able to see in here. Now let's go to the home page again and see what other options do we have. So here you get to see max yesterday's earning. Now this is not the amount I cut. Something seems off here, but it's all right. Now if you see here, if you click on this chat icon over here, you would be able to interact with different brands directly. If any brands have messaged you, you would be able to find them in here. And then if you hover here, you would see the notification. And if you click on your profile, you'll see the settings option. And when you would click on settings, you would be able to see your general details that you can update anytime. In case you want to delete your account, simply click on delete account. Then you got add spaces. So let's say if you want to delete or add any add space, you can just come here. You can click on, for example, if you want to add new space, that means a new online presence you got, you can click on new add space. And then again, it will ask you to select country. For example, again, I selected United States. Category, let's say I want to go with online services, and click on next. In your case, you can select it accordingly. Even this time I got a social network, I can click on next. Then YouTube, in your case as well, you can select it accordingly. It will ask for the name and the URL. Let me enter mine. In your case, you can enter yours as well. So this is I'm showing it to you that how you can add space even after creating an account with Admitad, and then click on ready. This will add that specific ad space or online presence as your second ad space, which again, you can go to your profile, you can click on settings, and when you from the settings, if you go to add spaces, you would be able to see both the ad spaces in here, you see. So this is how it will work. You can even read more things about it to have a better understanding. And you will always have an option. For example, right now I'm looking at regular marketing Facebook test, but if I click here, I will be moved to this space. That means the YouTube space. Now you see, I'm here, and it's very important. For example, you have an option to add more spaces like this, but when you apply to the different affiliate programs, you're only applying to the affiliate program for the space that you have selected in here. So ensure before you apply to the affiliate program of different brands, you select your ad space from here accordingly, and then only then you can apply. And when you get the approval, let's say for one ad space, you're not allowed to use the same brand or promote the same brand on different ad space. So for each ad space, you have to get the approval from the brands accordingly. Then you got email notification. You can click here and you can update your email notification from here. And then comes the payment details. Now, okay, we talked about getting the payments, but how do you set it up? For that, you can click on payment details, and as you can see, so all the payments are currently being managed by Admitad Earnings. Simply go to Admitad Earnings, and this is another portal within the affiliate dashboard. This is a place where you would be able to select your tax details and the payment methods accordingly. So when you're here, you would be able to see your transaction history here. If you click on my account, you will see your current balance. You would also be able to see your withdrawals, that any withdrawals being happen. But before you see any information, or before even you initiate the withdrawal request, you have to update your tax information. You can enter your name, your country of residence, type of entity, city, and address. And when you will be updating all this information, there will be a URL you can click and you can read more information. And once you have updated your tax information, you can click on billing details. You can update two-factor authentication as well. And you can click on add billing details, and this is where you would be able to select the payment methods. And the payment methods you can select from are PayPal, Payoneer, Get Unique, bank transfer, bank card, and crypto wallet. Again, this depends on your country of residence as well. So once you have set up the payment methods here, you would always have an option to come here and you can click on withdraw funds, and the money will be deposited to your selected payment method accordingly. So this is how you can update your payment method and start getting payment from Admitad. Okay, then you got guest account. Let's say you want to give a permission to someone. For the time being, you can click on guest account, create an account, and the person can use your dashboard for the time being. Then comes APIs and apps. So if you're technical people and if you want to have more resources available for Admitad, you can come to here. You can see the API credentials and learn more about Admitad API. and integrate the APIs accordingly. Then you can also come to account security, and here you can update your account security too. So this is how you can update your settings and all. But let's say you have a question and you want to get in touch with the support team. How do you do that? In that case, you can simply click on this icon, and when you do that, it will take you to a section where you can see your request to the support team, or you can also submit a new request to the support team in form of a form, like submit a request. And when you do that, so while you do that, you have to enter your question, and then you can expect a response from the Admitad support team, which you would be able to find in here within my request section. Now, what about the Help Center? Do they have any resources available which you can read through and understand? Of course, they have. Just on the affiliate dashboard, you can scroll down to the bottom section, click on Help Center, which will take you to the Help Center. That's for MidGo. But from here, you can click on Admitad, and then it will take you to another selection, maybe like here. So Admitad for publishers, you can select. And now this is a place here where you would be able to see the publishers or affiliate related articles. You can read through it for better understanding. So this is how you can learn more about Admitad affiliate account. So let's say that you read through the articles, and for the time being you're done with the dashboard, and maybe you want to explore the dashboard later or find the brands later. Then what else can you do? Like, so in that case, you can simply just log out if you want. But let's say if you did log out, how do you sign in back? So in that case, come to the admitad.com website, click on login, enter your credential, and you'll be taken back to the homepage. So this is how you log in. You use the Admitad affiliate dashboard, you apply to the brands, get the approval, or just get the auto approval, start promoting them, start earning commission, and start getting the commission from Admitad. And this covers the entire tutorial of Admitad. I hope the video was helpful to you. And this brings us to the end of the video. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a tutorial like this for the affiliate network, any other affiliate network, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.